It is okay. So a market open is 10:30.
10:30. Wow.
PM.
That's what it was for me when I was in Tokyo. So sounds about
Oh
right.
yeah, true. I saw you trade for New Year's, huh?
Yeah, I literally, that was actually so epic because I literally, the hotel that we had was pretty cool. It had the windows that I had no idea we were facing fireworks. And so I was
No,
literally
that's sick.
sitting there in my robe and I was like, do I wait until, the fireworks come on? I was like, let's take a look at the market. And then I took a trade, closed the trade, and then just boom, fireworks in front of me. I was like, what? This is so epic.
That is good.
Wow,
That's how I imagine trading to be when I started.
Yeah, it was very much a metaphor.
You close the trade, boom, fireworks.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we've let DGen know about that. Maybe we can put that back in the background chat and tag him on it. But yeah, we'll get you that. I remember you winning. So
yeah, there's a bunch of people still waiting for accounts. You're gonna get those once he's caught up with everything. He's walking on it. By the way, market open is in 4 minutes and 12 seconds. So get ready.
We had some buying pressure for just like 30 seconds there in the NQ. It was looking like we were going to break out, and then it's just like, just kidding.
I noticed that about 5 minutes before the open, usually it does that. It'll spike in one direction, and I don't know, maybe it's just
we have the MOC, the market on close. Is this the market on open?
Yeah, literally, yeah.
Yeah,
that's what it feels like. Let's see.
Yeah, Oki, shut up about it, or we won't get. No, I'm just kidding, man. We'll get you your account. Don't worry about it. If it's just keep bringing it up, and we'll keep bugging him, and we'll get it to you. So, but yeah, it's okay. Now we got a little. I'll tell you, just watching the chart feels like a little bit of a battle. And speaking of battle, it's time for the opening bell battle.
Okay, apparently he said, background Nick, who's now foreground Nick, said that he's caught up with the giveaway account. So
apparently not.
Apparently not. Yeah. Yeah, Alan. That's what it is. All right, we're sitting at 770 now. So that 730 level really held, huh? Mariam. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when the market opens. The market.
Not a whole lot of big orders in the books yet on Bookmap on pretty much any asset or instrument at this point.
TBC, if you won last week, you gotta be patient because it takes up to 7 days. So unless you've won last Tuesday or Monday, be patient. That's the best you can do. So 2 minutes. Ooh, now selling pressure. This short is making you work for it, Patrick. He says, after market open, you'll either see me say fuck or hell to the yeah.
Or what the helly?
What the helly? What the hell you gonna say? Looking forward to it.
All right, guys. 90 seconds.
Let's see. R&D says I'm full porting opening drive to pass my 150k. Okay. That's one way to do it.
Of all the ways to do it, that is one of them.
It's true. Keep in mind though, the consistency rule on select accounts in eval stage. Rafine, how about that? Yeah. Always. Just wait. Just wait. Hit. Yeah, I can talk sometimes. Just wait until I hit TP. Then it's gonna be the second one.
What the fuck? All right.
You still haven't watched that video, Matt, have you?
I did actually. I did. Okay. Maybe it was funny back in the day. I don't know.
Ooh. Nah, she's on mute. I don't know if she knows though, but that's why I do the intro self-muting, hopefully, you know. That's why I said it's all the time.
Do you have that memorized at this point?
That part, yes.
All right, guys.
How often she mutes herself.
We are 15 seconds to the New York Open. Make sure you check your order. It is time to get ready. It is time to lock in, and it is time to hopefully get your accounts passed, get your payouts qualified for, or if you're trading personal, just make some damn money. Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Let's get to work.
Let's go. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. What the hell?
Well, they swiped and ran there. Good lord.
Yep.
RIP to anyone that had a self stop underneath.
And it's gone. Uh-oh. We're gonna hear Patrick very soon. It looks like. No, Patrick. Hold it. Hold it. Yes, Rob. Exactly, that's what it is. The basketball kid. Right. Out of sync there. Thank you, NES. Not doing much so far. Still hanging around that 730 level on NQ.
Watching 700 to see if we clear to the downside. They're not in sync so far, ES and NASDAQ.
Yeah, 700 is previous week mid, so definitely interested in that level. Let's see. Ooh, there it is. 691. 685 low right now. Gold pulled back into the range. Andrea, literally as you typed that, I said it. Funny. And yeah, Abu, tell them that hit the like button. At 333 likes, we're gonna do a giveaway. So better smack it. It's free. Okay, Miriam, how many contracts did you short this with? Come on. We know it.
Boom, boom. Boom.
Maybe just a couple.
Couple, she means 8.
8,000. Nice, Patrick. Good for your ES short there.
Good action.
Good. Yeah, 673 now on NQ. The next level coming up is current year mid. Current year mid sitting at 25,655. So we're 20 points away from that.
No, giving it back.
I would assume this level holds, but if it doesn't, and we drop further, let me go actually to the 1 hour charts here. If it does not hold, then the next level 3 will be these wicks here, these buying wicks at 600-ish, 600 to 620. Let's first see. Not taking a trade here right now. Wait and see what happens. Because previous week mid, still holding. Like we just look at the body of this 5-minute candle, it's still holding, right? It's the wick that sliced through it. But ooh,
Wow.
okay.
What a retrace.
There we go. 80 points higher now.
Holy cow.
Mary, I see you laughing, but you're still muted.
I know I'm muting myself because I'm just, yeah, this is very interesting.
What?
No, I was waiting for the 65 level to clear on the NASDAQ. So ES held my trend line so well. Look at this shit. Look at that 60 area holding. So I was watching it, but I almost took a long on that, and I didn't. That's why I'm laughing, because I'm like, oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna wait now. See if previous day high clears.
Yeah, Patrick, that was nasty. I'm sorry. Hope you got break even. And yeah, Yosef, gold is stuck, apparently. that range. Can't get out of it.
Gold
Still
may,
not.
may be the asset that's most waiting for the tariff decision. Wow, what a fucking reversal. Jesus.
Yep.
That's
very
a
nasty.
nasty first 5-minute candle.
Like a 100-point run up from there, from that low. Nasdaq some people today.
Oh man, anyone that got short down there at like 680, 685 is just, yeah.
Brutal.
If you listen very
Brutal.
closely, you can actually hear the accounts getting blown up.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
You hear the people.
Just open your window
Screaming,
and just put your ear outside and listen very carefully. If there's no traffic, you can hear it.
I'm gonna watch the upside here on ES if we can clear the 8280 level that I'm watching. I want to see Nasdaq clear previous day low though.
Longs is so free. That's a statement, I guess.
Longs is so free.
What are you taking? And can I have some?
Well, longs, obviously. Question is who's taking longs on gold right now? We're at the bottom of the range here. 630. 631. Retest of VWAP on NQ and ES both. Looks more in sync now than it did.
Jesus, look at this NQ action. What in the actual fuck?
Yep. It's crazy. R&D says my dream is to full port silver one day. Well, I mean, today can be that day. You want it to be.
Yeah. Yeah, it can be.
I mean,
Motherfucker.
Good luck.
who like everybody else?
Wow, big order just popped up and just got swallowed at 700.
Craig says, how are the free longs looking?
I just the way I read that, I kind of read it like, you know, one of those 80s movies where the college professors, like after class, you know, smoking a substance. It's like, longs is so free, man. they're just like so free.
So free. Yeah, Andrea, I'm with you on the nasty sweep.
Think I got out.
In order to trust it.
Happens
Yeah,
sometimes.
Dangerous. Very dangerous.
Boy, this is the type of price action. There are monitors and mice getting broken right now.
Yep.
Don't punch your monitors, guys.
I still need them. Have you ever punched a monitor, Matt?
No, never. Oh, hold on. There's a.
Oh, the weird man is talking.
Yeah, it's a light one. No, never. The only thing I broke was a mouse, and it wasn't because of a bad trade. It's because I was trying to get into a trade, and the batteries on it crapped out. And it had been. This was like 6-7 years ago. 6-7.
Yeah.
But I had I was trying to get into an options trade, and didn't have the rechargeable mouse. It was the old one with batteries, and I'd had it for a few years, and it would eat through batteries in like 2 days. And so like I tried to get into a trade, and I had it all queued up, and I literally went to push the send order button, and the thing crapped out, so it got chucked across the room. So and now we just use the rechargeable one. But no, never a monitor. I've never broken anything, never punched a wall, anything like that. So
I punched the wall once. It hurt. And I stopped doing it.
So the wall won, huh?
Yeah, the wall definitely won. Dude, Patrick, if you guys could post GIFs in the chat here, that would be so hilarious, and at the same time it would be so chaotic. But I understand you. I know why you want to post GIFs right now. It's sick that you're still in this, actually. It's funny. 2 Goal to Trade is asking, have you punched somebody else's monitor? What? No, I have not. I have friends breaking brand new TVs because of losing football matches. Who buy it? What the hell? What kind of friends do you have?
Yeah, that's not stable. You know. I mean, TVs are a lot cheaper relative now than they have been for a while, but that's still, yeah, no.
Yeah. Yusuf says, fucking emotions, missed gold short. Well, how would you have caught that? You know, it was ranging for literally the last 9 hours. And now there's a steeper drop. Like, how would you know? Patrick, the White Lotus remix, the beatbox one from the Asian guy. That one is sick. You should listen to that. Fire. Dudley says, I always heard that using a cordless mouse was against trading rules 101. Are you using a cordless mouse, Matt?
I am, yeah. I don't know why. I've never heard that rule.
Me neither.
I've heard it in like the gaming, but I don't play a lot of multiplayer games. I just mostly do single player stuff. So no, cordless. I would worry too much about a cord, especially with all the shit I have on my desk and cups and mugs and stuff knocking shit over. So no, you got now. They're nice wireless. I won't use a Bluetooth one. I use radio one. So it does, Bluetooth can flip in and out sometimes.
KSKI says that rule was from 2001.
Yeah.
Well, I was not trading in 2001 because I was 6.
Oh God.
Full port.
Yeah. This price action right now is devious.
You were full porting your mac and cheese at 6 years old. That's
Yeah.
Didn't even know what English was at that age.
And now you can swear in multiple languages. It's wonderful.
Hey. Patrick, not the Asian remix, the beatbox remix by an Asian guy.
Dang, should have took that short.
He's actually German, but he's Asian.
Is it gonna finish? Is it going to finish?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm in NASDAQ shorts here.
Shorts, all right, nice push to the downside, right into current year mid. We're at the 50% mark of this year's price action. As said, in market wake up, it sounds more impressive than it is. The year has only been 14 days, but 50% mark. Paraloco, 2001, you were 20? I thought you
Got scared.
You got in that short right.
Got scared.
All right, and let's go to one of you guys' screen. What are we doing on mine? Crew, can you go to either of their screens? I want to see the trade.
Will it finish? Move down to 20.
Next turn, get that nice surge down. I might be able to get this funded select to a payout today.
Hey, let's go.
Need that surge. I'm taking my first off at about 6:30.
Will it go down to 20? Oh, it looks like it might.
Probably about a third.
It's pushing.
I also took some.
It
off
is
as well.
pushing.
35 has some buyers.
It is pushing.
35 clear. I'm only in. Alright,
We're basically at the next support
What's the
resistance
two-digit
zone.
number here? Come on.
I'm not gonna lie, I went pretty hard on that one. I'm in 2 minis left.
Kind of making
35,
the way
35.
down where I thought it was gonna go yesterday. Dude, I got it.
I'm treating this like a scalp trade. I'm not
Super
gonna
busy.
take a big loss on this.
Yesterday.
Oh, that was my robot voice.
Anyways.
It's a weird man.
You know. Do what we do.
See that next surge.
We do it. Can we make
I do
life
like
happen?
SES is also breaking that trend line,
And
so I want to
we
see
do
the
it.
55 level clear
Unknown.
on NASDAQ. If they hold it here, they might pump it back up. So just be careful. My stop sitting at break even.
I'm gonna give it one more chance to surge down. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out with a few $100 in profit.
Bugsies.
Come on, break 35, you son of a gun.
I know
Is it coming down to 20? Is it gonna make it down?
Same shit that happened yesterday on ES. Come on,
All right,
there you go. Let's
I'm out of
go.
another one.
Will it before the last 14,
Nice, guys.
13, 12,
Nice.
10, 9,
I'm gonna set
8.
my last target down here just above 600, but I probably will bring it up. There's not a lot
3,
of
2, 1. No, it did not. But now we're trucking along with orb here. 15.
Yeah, my stop's sitting at 48 now. Next level down is 610. But they'll probably
Yeah, I'm
stop me
taking that
now.
off there.
All right. Ah, no, not a long.
Oh, come on.
Okay. Apparently, I have too many orders sitting there, but I did just get out of that trade. So I'm out. Yes,
1132 overall. I'll take it.
Nice, man.
Like when it does that,
Yes, is still retesting the trend.
wants to be weird.
To the downside here on the Nasdaq.
Target with
also is at the
544.
bottom of this 4-hour demand zone, so I'll be looking for another re-entry below 600 if we get it.
Oh man, right when I get out, they
Yeah.
layer it up underneath. That sucks.
Forward stuff. It has to be that way.
Well, I have a rule, guys. When I scale out like that, so I took 3 minis, I scaled out in 3 different tranches. I have a rule. The instant I start scaling out,
70750.
I will not take a loss on the remaining trade. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Abu, I don't know if I got quite the payout yet. No, I got a little room to go yet.
We're approaching this bottom trend line here on the Nasdaq. Like I said, I'm going to be watching the 600 level possibly for a long. So if we do start getting the buying pressure, which we might start getting here, I'll start looking for this.
Hey, Patrick, nice job, man.
Get our stuff in.
Hey, let's
Oh.
go. That was diamond hands. That was strong. I thought it
Yeah.
took you out. That was very strong.
Look at that.
Come
Everyone's
on.
making some.
What is
making some
going
short
on,
work
man?
today.
What's
I
up
like
with
that.
your freaking lagginess?
Except me. I gotta wait again. We're gonna find our trade. But nice, Matt and Mary. Crushed it. There was something I said. Oh yeah, Matt.
Yes.
Congrats on your first trade on stream, man.
One of these days we can find
Well,
a
hey,
9-8.
Congrats on your first trade on stream within the first 15 minutes of the market open.
I want to see this 55 level clear here on Nasdaq. We do get the clear. I'll look for longs. Otherwise,
65 you
might be
said?
rejection.
Did you say 55 or 65?
55.
Gold is dropping right now. My trade on gold would be 4598.2 for a long. So we're still about 20
That's pretty crazy.
points away from there. But
I'm long Nasdaq.
all right.
Stop is going to be sitting. I'm only in one contract. Stop is going to be sitting at 30.
Let's see what's going on.
I'm only risking 17 points on one mini.
What's happening?
Nice. You know what else is
So what I was saying was interesting is
30
the
likes away from
levels
getting
of
likes.
one of these was actually pretty freaking close to something that was
This one's
To
not.
to another level.
Not looking good here. Let's see. Gotta hold it. Gotta hold this 30. There's buyers sitting right at 30, so pretty much right where my stop is. I just don't want to risk too much on this, so I'm risking like $300 to something on this.
What I mean, the top was actually the same top,
I will answer that question.
and then green was only over here somewhere. So
Let's see. The reason I got into this trade, I was seeing the buying pressure coming in here. I like
It
that
was,
line,
Sunday.
now our buyer sitting at that 600
Sundays.
level, yes, is now breaking above its trend line, but I want to see the. There we go. There we go.
Level.
All right. So I'm gonna move my stop to break even now.
was Friday's level actually.
Entry. 650 is my stop. I want to see the continuation here. I want to see pre-market low. Ooh, they almost tapped me out. They might tap me out here.
Like literally, this is Friday's orb.
All right. Well,
You can see the dotted line all the way across.
still holding. Still holding.
Boom. Lines up right
I
here.
wanted to see, honestly, I wanted to see 700.
Crazy.
I want to see the buyers really step in.
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Well, let's see. Still hasn't tapped me out just yet.
All right.
Patrick is crediting the magnetic nose strip. You should probably trade more often having those nose strips on.
Come on, hurry up.
They are fighting here.
Yeah, they are. This is not the kind of like reversal play that I like to see. All right, I just got stopped out. But I wanted to see more of that buying pressure come in. So what's likely the scenario here is we might need to step in and break this level and then come back up and sweep it. So that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for. If we break this 630, it's very likely that we're going to start heading down and then coming into this 600 level and then just grabbing some of those buyers. So was a little too early on that play. Like I said, I did pretty much broke even. I made like $40, I think, on that play, but we'll see.
Drew, if we want to go to my screen really quickly, I want to answer the question. It was asking how I see the liquidity, and it's just on book maps. So you see we've got some liquidity, nice 179 orders sitting below here. Let's see if we take it out here. If they pull it, they're close enough. They can probably take this order out if they have the orders. In general, price action will move towards liquidity. Now, not always. Sometimes there's a big order. If the market makers don't have the ability to fill that order, they're not going to take the price to it. But in general, you're going to see price action move towards liquidity. That's just sort of market 101, right? And so when I'm in a trade and I want to see the so we do have a decent amount of liquidity layering up underneath here. When we see it stack up like this, now I'd like to see it stack.
All right.
I'm getting short here. I want to see it stack a little tighter. Now, sometimes it'll run away from that liquidity, or it'll just pop up, gather some opposite side orders. I typically want to see liquidity in the direction I want the trade to go, and when it kind of evaporates, and honestly, it did right about.
Oh my gosh!
Both of us close out our trades. You saw the liquidity kind of start to lighten up underneath and start to stack up overhead. So at that point, that's a little bit of a caution sign. I'm not saying it's a red light. But it's definitely a yellow light in terms of price continuing in that direction. So now you see there's not a lot of liquidity overhead, and it's sort of stacking up underneath. So in theory, again, price action should begin to start to try to clear this liquidity on the board. But again, these aren't huge orders. We're talking in the 20s. I want to see something a little bigger. I do have this thing that just screens for 50 and higher orders, and there's not a ton on the board right now. So that's basically what I'm looking at with that. Again, guys, I know we talk a lot about book map between the two of us. Again, we're not, it's not directly interfaceable with Tradovate accounts, so we don't spend a ton of time on it. But yeah, that's what we're looking. I don't know. Is that some sort of the same way you use it, Miriam, when you're in a trade?
Yeah, I mean, I definitely look at yours. Kind of actually looks a little bit different than mine. I also use an indicator called the market pulse, and it just shows me the aggregate sellers and buyers.
This little guy right here.
Oh no.
This little guy right here.
Oh yeah, you have it too. Nice. Do you use that as well?
I just started putting it up last week, and so I'm not using it right now. I'm just watching it. Again, just same way I'm doing with the stops and the icebergs. I'm just trying to pay attention to it and see how to integrate it into my trading. Speaking of that big oil stop, it's kind of acted a little bit as resistance, or the oil sell ice. So that's something we'll keep an eye on as the day progresses.
All right, we did hit
the NASDAQ here.
We did hit the like goal in the meantime. So let's do the giveaway. 50K growth account. Chat, all you got to do for this is you got to like the stream, you got to subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the keyword, type that keyword into the chat, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified automatically, unfortunately. So just don't do it. I want gold to go down to the 4600s, and that's
order filled.
Keyword is GC drop. Good luck, everybody.
Damn, Naz is going nuts right now.
And while we're queuing up that keyword, guys, it is time to bring on our normal Wednesday guest. It is the boy wonder himself, Amos. Amos, good morning, man. How you doing?
Hi, Amos.
Yo.
How y'all doing?
Oh, we're chilling. waiting for this price action to do something not so crazy, but I mean, here we are. How are you doing?
Great.
Have you traded at all yet?
Yeah,
Today?
but not today. I'm waiting around right now, basically. That would be the first trade I'd take, and then maybe in like 15-20 minutes I'll look for another potential trade.
Okay.
Nice. Yeah, we
What
do
do you
have
think?
we have news in 5 minutes as well.
Ooh, that's right. That could be fun.
We got business inventories and existing home sales, and then in a little over a half hour, we are expected to get the tariff Supreme Court decision. So that may, guys, I tend to think that decision may lead to a little whippy price action, regardless of what it is. It could be much. Honestly, I don't know what to expect. It could be much ado about nothing. It could be a 300-400 point move in either direction, depending on what the ruling is and what kind of chaos it might create. But be careful, guys. If you're in a trade going into that, make sure you've got stop orders in place. And honestly, guys, if you're on a trade going into that, just be prepared if you have a stop order for a really shitty fill. If you can't handle a shitty fill on it, or you're close to bottoming out, I would think about maybe closing the position before that.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Oh, come on, gold. Now it's going back up. I wanted it to go lower.
So what are you looking at right now, Amos? Anything jumping out to you as something that might be setting up in the next 20-30 minutes?
Yeah, definitely. I'm seeing that on NQ we're displacing below the previous candle's low. We are accepting below the opening prices of higher time frame candles. So I will definitely be looking for a potential continuation on a pullback here of that hourly candle. It's just a question of timing and how deep is the retracement going to be. If I can locate myself somewhere above high or inside a resistance zone to basically predict that we're going to create a new low off of that structure, I would really like it. Or wait for price to come back here, a nice aggression from sellers, and then selling back off. That would be the play here for me. If that doesn't happen and we just sweep that low aggressively, I'll look at the same thing, but in around 20 minutes, I will look at the same kind of confirmations. Is there a lot of aggression below the opening price or above the opening price? And if I have enough confirmations, then I'll take a trade on either side. But right now I'm seeing shorts on NQ and even ES. I'm trading ES a little bit more, especially in 2026. Yeah.
I saw you only trade. You basically only trade ES.
I only trade ES in.
Really?
Let's say from the silver bullet hour, so from 10 to 11, I only trade ES. I gathered a lot of data from
news. Let's get out of that trade.
Just looking at pure price action, and let's say you have a bigger picture play. A lot of times ES is the driver, and NQ just stays inside a range more often than not. ES, in my opinion, offers better.
It's probably gonna go down to where
NQ offers way
I want, but news.
10, 15 point moves.
News is happening.
20 point, 30 point, maybe.
I should have really stayed in.
NQ is better, but ES in terms of like structure and how you can rely on the same kind of framework every single
What
day.
news is happening, by the way?
A little bit better
Existing home
on that
sales?
side, so
I could have stayed in. Mother fudger.
Studying past data, looking at all that. Man, stop.
See what happens. See how the news affects. Shoot.
One quick thing. I want to choose or pick the giveaway winner. Drew, if you could run the bot really quick. Let's see who wins the 50k growth account. It is Supernova Z4U. All right, congrats. Type something in the chat really quick.
But is it a champagne supernova?
I got that one.
Okay. Nick, did you get that one?
Nope.
That was good.
I give up.
You didn't.
Man, come on.
I bet Amos got that one. Oh, for fuck's
You for sure did not get. I'm sorry, Amos, not to like out you, but you for sure didn't get that.
Stick with these goddamn children, man. What the hell?
Sorry, man.
in 30 seconds here, guys. I am in a short. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in a short right now.
You like the adrenaline, huh?
I do. I love it. I'm here for it. But my stop is pretty much almost break even. So.
Oh, whoa, there it goes.
See if we get the little droppy drop. Otherwise, I'll take you.
Oh, come on.
Oh, fuck yeah. Let's go.
Would have given me the
Alright.
stuff. It would have given me the business. Damn it.
Now she takes the big win for the day.
Oh my lord. That was.
Did he get out?
I took one off at 540.
Oh, nice. Nice exit.
Oh lord. I'm only in one. And one left. One left. I am trading my fundeds too, so this is a funded account.
What fundeds are you guys trading?
I have my growth.
Okay, gross.
Let me check the transfer here.
Okay.
Oh,
I recently passed
already going towards the first TP.
selects, and you feel so
Shoot.
when you trade. It's insane.
Yeah, but you were trading lightly funded before, right?
Yeah,
Shucks.
exactly.
Yeah, so
And
you
like
had
Just stayed in, like I said. Like I said.
yeah, and now like when I'm in the trade, I'm like, do I let it run? Is it could make more, but usually I never.
Always like that.
Yeah.
You can always make more.
Yeah, I before I left on vacation in December, I blew the 5 select evals to the hat. So now I'm on the grind.
Okay. Yeah,
Fast.
let's say what's your approach with those evals? A little bit more aggressive or
Honestly, not really. I'm trading them with 2 minis, so nothing too crazy.
Oh, that's rough.
I'm
That is
just
rough.
looking at them as my stream accounts. I trade them on stream,
okay.
and that's why more conservative right now.
I YOLO the fuck out of my evals. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah, well, but you have consistency on the select eval, so don't forget that.
I can always count on you to remind me about the consistency, Nick.
Of course, my friend. Of course. All right, gold is finally coming down to my level there. Let's see. It's not quite there yet, but I do have a buy order on gold at 4598.2. 4598.2. By the way,
No.
anybody still typing GC drop, you can stop. It's not going to do anything. Giveaway is over.
Then Nick, you consider yourself a GP trader right now? Golden pocket.
No, it's just one of the strategies I trade that I really like.
Okay.
Yeah,
But what's
no,
like-
I still
had-
trade fractal model. I still trade full flex, fair flex, but I take a lot of GP trades recently. Yeah.
And if you had to rate your models, what would be the best to the worst?
That's like asking somebody to pick their favorite kid.
Yeah, it's very similar. It's very similar. I mean, best to worst. I would say bull flag, bear flag, the worst.
Okay.
Out of the 3, they're all 3 are good, to be fair, right? But bull flags, bear flags are the worst out of the 3. Then I would actually, maybe that surprises you, but today I would actually say fractal model second and then GP first. I love the simplicity of GP.
Yeah, it is pretty.
like
I like
that.
it too.
It's just
I don't
like
know what to do about the rest of the
Like
trades.
if I'm not on stream, I literally look
What
at
to do
when I was
about the
on
rest
a
of the
trip
trades, guys.
with my girlfriend, now fiance.
Nah, fiance.
That word is so weird.
Congrats, by the way, Nick.
Thank you. When I was on that trip, I looked at the charts like once a day, looked at the 15-minute time frame and the hourly time frame, set an order, and then walked away. Can't do that with the other ones.
Yes. Yeah, true.
Now just still rejecting this 580 level, pretty much where I have my stop sitting here. So.
Hey.
Huh?
We got USA in the chat. Just wanted to say.
Dude, ES has so much room to the downside. It's actually crazy. Oh, I should have traded ES. ES has room, well, at least down to like 935. Next level down I see is 9 526. NASDAQ, I wanted to see if we can get down to that 495 level. Like I said, I just have my stop sitting at 578.
Nice. Let's actually go to your screen. You have a trade on, right?
Yeah. It is trying to hold this 540 though. So let's see. Literally right where I took my first profit. All right. I want to see the rejection here as well. I want to see us start moving back down to the downside.
You know what we gotta do is we gotta trade our.
This is where we hold.
MT4.
Oh my god, I just read Patrick's comment. Patrick, you're turning into Ozempic and Schrödinger number 3 here.
Worse when it grabs my stop. Okay. All right, I'm out of that. That literally grabbed my stop. Oh, come on. Right at that 580. This is a rejection point. See, this is where it's like so tough to place your stops because you don't want to be caught in some sort of pullback, but at the same time, you're like, if you're gonna push it up here, NASDAQ. Just run it. Run it.
For peace of mind.
Yeah.
Tomas, you looking to take a trade there? You're doing something on the charts.
No, I'm just looking at the potential opportunities I have, long, short, just drawing it on my chart. I'll be looking for a trade in like 10, 15 minutes around there.
I'm so tired, guys.
I only see that GC trade right now.
Can I go to sleep now?
Well,
Can I
still waiting.
There's a level there. I didn't even see it.
take a nap before work?
Whipped right to. It was the pre-market low of January 6th that we whipped right to.
Lost
here on
my
the
mouse.
NASDAQ. I didn't even see that level. Otherwise, we have 495 as the next target. So for me, the way I see it is if NASDAQ comes back up here and can't get back above like 620, I'd look for possibly coming back down here to the 490s. And there it is.
What do you guys think? We gonna travel up back up to 644, or we're gonna travel back down?
Dude, they're fucking rats.
That
Yeah, they are. They're
starting to move is
They're rats even when they
interesting.
move
Do you think we're
around.
gonna come back up here?
Careful, you're gonna get those market makers just hunting your stops.
Yes. My sim stop on my funded.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, they're always hunting for sim stops.
I'm telling you, market maker Mario's like he says he used to be. Now he like runs all the markets now. He picks on us some days.
Oh man.
Anyone in this or in a short?
Nope.
Oh Lord. I would love if they can get us back down. If they get us down to this 495 level, I might be looking for longs.
A lot of higher time frame and 5-minute on CL as well, guys. Below 6150's got some real room if we get down there.
Anyway, this looks like up. It could come down though.
Mosh, you're too quiet. What the fuck, man?
It looks up to me. It's probably down,
Okay,
but
all
Focus.
let's see.
He's just
I
calm.
don't know how much I can hang in there, guys. I'm so
He's the
tired.
youngest old guy I've ever met.
Amos is like an old soul.
Hey, weird man talking in the background, Matt.
Yeah.
The water is either leaking on the way home
Is that a compliment?
or
What does that truly mean?
on the way to work yesterday.
It's whatever
It's a
you
massive
want it to.
compliment.
No, it is. It's what we call a backhanded compliment. It's a.
That's a backhanded compliment. You're just trying to stir shit, Matt.
No, I meant what I said, not what you said.
Oh,
He was asking what I said.
what did you say?
I said he's the youngest old guy I've ever met.
Oh. No, yeah, an old soul is, I mean,
Will it break
he told me that, and I was like, I lit up.
from here?
Yes, yeah, wise beyond your years. Because you're obviously young, right? But you are very mature. You're very wise. You know, I'm assuming you prefer deeper conversations, deeper meaning relationships, right? Like that's kind of what an old soul is.
Okay, I appreciate that.
You're like, yeah, I don't appreciate any of those. Like surface level.
I agree.
Yeah, from here to here. Will it move back up? Will it just
Oh, by the way,
chunk down? What do you guys think?
We gotta keep you humble.
What do you think is gonna happen? I don't really know. I've got so much other things to trade, but it is only Wednesday.
Every time I'm on live on the lunch hour, Matt is in the comments and he's making
Oh,
jokes.
it looks like it could start pushing down
Somebody asked if he traded the ancient session. I said that's
instead of what I said it looked like, right?
That's past your bedtime.
It's like I said.
it absolutely is. I know, yeah.
hey, Amana, can you?
I think up. No, I still think up.
520.
490.
If not 620,
Like gold, chat.
I'm looking at 640-ish.
Like button. I'm gonna do another giveaway.
If it breaks here, if it starts breaking low, then I don't really know where the
Gold just doesn't want
volume is, but you can see
600 is what I'm looking for.
there's okay.
Kind of like
Back where a lot of volume was.
us flipping back on NQ actually. Letting this gap above us.
It ripped it.
Oh, damn. What a pop there.
News on that?
I'm looking. Boy, I happened to be looking at that market pulse tool, and boy, the
Next area of volume,
all the way to the right.
right, is a bit easier.
Yeah,
Starts from the session of yesterday.
Court does not rule on Trump's tariffs Wednesday.
Okay.
No tariff ruling today. They're kicking the can.
It could hit these next areas or back up to here.
Yesterday, those kind of spikes happened like twice.
That's what I'm looking at.
Mm-hmm.
As fast as that moved,
What part of the day?
It was like there was
I
like
really want to put a long in.
extremely big spikes yesterday.
Get yourself a damn news feed. Why you gotta come mooch off ours? I know you can afford that $40 a month, dude.
Try to do that 650 level again on NQ.
Yep. Yes, right at pre-market low. Tapped right into it at 69.64.
Oh, come on, gold. No.
What are you looking for on gold specifically?
I was looking for 4,600, but now with
Oh,
another
wow.
like 12, 13 points.
Yeah, you see that surge of volume in that market pulse shoot up like that. That is almost always some sort of news. I thought it was a decision coming out. It just turns out we're not getting a decision. I'll have to look up when the next time they're going to release decisions is. They could just sit on this for months. In reality, I saw that discussed as a possibility as well. Whatever's going to give Clarence Thomas his next RV.
Looking for a short on NQ at 714.
I like it.
If we get up there.
714.
Yep.
Why that level? GP?
Yes.
Yes. Actually, that from a chart perspective, that's not a bad area either. That That's funny. My original short was 715.50.
Nice.
So now you can take that.
Yeah, let's see.
715. It might even, I mean, 700 could be resistance as well. 701.
701, you say?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh,
Oh,
big
damn.
spike.
What the heck?
Big
the heck?
spike.
I wanted to go in longs here to target the gap above us, but sometimes on NQ you just get no entries. You just need to enter market and
Yeah.
I couldn't there.
Sometimes it's brutal.
Yeah.
I have an order set up on NQ for shorts, but let's see if we get up there.
What a wild recovery here on ES as well.
Yeah. ES is like right at the golden pocket right now, actually.
Oh, okay.
I think even above.
I mean, if ES this kind of feels reminiscent of what happened yesterday, but a little bit quicker, right? We made the move down and then we just popped right back up and then we made the move down again. So we're like, is this going to be the same sort of thing? But I like ES if we can clear 69.80. And that would put us in the gap fill on SPX as well. The gap is pretty decent on SPX, so if we can get that, it'll be a nice long. Methinks.
Methinks. I haven't heard that in a while.
So Amos, what did you do for your sorry, by the way, cut me off if you're looking at a trade right now, but just curious what you did during your New Year's celebration.
It was my my brother's birthday on the 31st. So yeah, we went inside a really good restaurant. We also went out during that night, so it was really nice. I also spent a lot of times with my family. Too much food, ate way too much food for sure.
Never a bad thing.
It's chocolate, but yeah, it was a really fun time. Mostly I spent the time at home with my family or with my friends. I went also we play a lot of hockey here in Canada, so played hockey with my friends, and yeah, it was just fun, chill time. What about you guys?
I love that. I was overseas. I was in
Oh
Korea.
yeah, I saw. How was it?
It was great. I already want to go back. I feel like Japan is like on a lot of people's bucket list, but I didn't think I was gonna. I thought I was gonna really like Japan a lot more than Korea, but I liked Korea a lot. I really
We're here putting other trades in. All right.
The time we were there wasn't.
What are we looking at?
So
Is the culture really different from?
What do we think's happening?
Okay, didn't even know.
Well, it's very different from like American culture, I would say, but
Yeah,
it's just like it's so much more community oriented.
I'm gonna rage. I might rage in this area.
Like here in the States, it's very individualistic society, to each their own.
You know what I mean?
I mean, and because of the culture there, in terms of like people caring about other people's and their surroundings, it feels very safe. It's very respectful. It's like I said, it's a very community-based thing. So, you know, there's no litter on the streets. It's very clean. You know, you're taking care of everything around you, which takes care of other people, and vice versa. People do the same. So I felt very safe even on the train. Like when we would take the trains, I wouldn't, you know, compared to when we were in Italy, like we'd have to like, I would be holding my my purse right in front of me versus Japan. People are sleeping on the train. They're like, you know, they're minding their own business, but I love the culture. It's just amazing. So yeah,
Nice.
very, very different though.
Nice.
So it's great. Where in Japan was I? I went to Osaka. Amazing food. It's Japan's kitchen. So basically just all we did was eat over there. And then I went to Kyoto, which I loved Kyoto. I think Kyoto's like Japan's Rome. A lot of history and culture there. So I think they have like 1,600 temples in Kyoto, which is
1,600.
1,600 1,500 temples. It was
Crazy.
amazing. And then also matcha's capital is in Kyoto. They have some of the best matcha there. So
Was that where you did your like matcha workshop?
no, actually that was in Osaka. We did a matcha making workshop there. But that was amazing. And then we went to Tokyo, which Tokyo is like the New York of Japan. So it was very lively. We went to Shibuya,
Oof.
the Shibuya crossing, pretty much all over the place, but only in Japan for like 6-7 days. And definitely not enough time, but it was well worth it. Highly recommend.
Nice. One question I have for you, actually, Miriam. Very good question. Did you go to a Korean spa in Korea?
I did. I did. I went to a Jimjobang. It was yes. Apparently though, apparently it was funny because like my husband went. He was like, I'm trying it. I'm getting a scrub. I was like, yes, good for you. So he definitely tried it, and he's like, yeah, I might not get that again. But he was saying how like he met one of the local Koreans there, and he was telling him that apparently not a lot of Koreans go, like a lot of the spas closed down during COVID, like all the nice ones. And so, which the one that we went to, I don't think it was like bad.
Make it above. Come on, make it above.
And so he was saying
Let's go.
that apparently
Up.
the night that we were there were a group of guys just like covered in tattoos. And apparently they were a gang from Hong Kong that was at the spa. And so we're sitting there eating at the restaurant, and he's telling me all this, and I'm just like mid-bite, and I'm looking at him, I'm like, we need to get the fuck out of here. What are we doing? So that was fun. That was an experience. But yeah, definitely had to hit up a
Make it. Make it.
Nice.
I did try also roasted green tea, which is like roasted matcha, essentially.
Come on.
And I bought back like 4 packages of it.
Come on.
So that's my new thing now.
You can do it.
It does look kind of sus though. It's like you're
Well,
drinking.
normal matcha looks sus already.
Well, no, matcha like regular matcha has this like cool green tint to it, right? But roasted matcha, it's like it's not exactly a brown, but it's not a green. It's kind of a mixture of the two. So it literally looks like you're drinking mud, but it's delicious. I love it.
Matcha. You'd put a cinnamon stick in it though.
No. Yeah, hojicha. I think I'm saying that right. I'm probably saying it wrong. Hojicha. You got that right, Chris.
Order filled.
Hey.
I wasn't gonna say it.
Hey.
Oh no.
Is that what you were in on 3?
Short order at 714.25. Maybe we get up there now. Let's see.
I feel like they're gonna try to reject it at 700. ES is holding above pre-market low, so that's at least a decently good sign for longs. But we do need it. We're kind of in a penalty box.
Come on.
against ES.
Come on.
Yeah, you can initiate a long with a stop below opening range low, but then you have previous day low, which is sitting at 976 that you'd have to get above. So kind of
come
one of
on.
those areas that I wouldn't really like to initiate a trade. But
Get up.
Amos, what are you seeing?
I actually like the longs above 70 here on ES.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, this is a huge level. It could go either way, but for me, in terms of what are we forming on the higher time frame, are we
Shoot.
forming the
We're
downward
breaking
of a future
underneath.
bullish candle, or are we forming the upwake of a future bearish? This is the exact moment where you will know this. So we pulled back towards the golden pocket. So here, if it chooses to go down extremely aggressively and accept below those 46, 47s, I will short back down towards the bottom of the range. If it can hold those gaps right there and re-break, I will long back towards those 80s. So this is my game plan, because usually I just follow the H1 candle basically based on the previous one. So here, this is the 9 a.m. H1 candle, and this is the 10 a.m. H1 candle. And right now, we could be setting up for basically forming the upwick of that bearish candle and would flip back below the opening price. And once I see this, I can basically say that this high is protected. So
Okay, yeah.
I could also go along. Definitely, if we get a nice push here, I would want to go long.
The iceberg man is talking.
He is, yes.
What's he saying?
Let's see, what was that on? Was that on? Yeah, that was on CL. Big CL buy ice, 600 contracts up here at 61.69. I'll put that on the chart.
I wanted to ask you about that, Matt, because I know you've talked about it a few times in terms of how you trade iceberg, but do you feel like you've gotten into a rhythm now of how to use it? Because I think that's another big thing with, at least for me, with using indicators on book maps. I don't feel like I'm like using them to their potential, or sometimes I don't even know if I'm using them correctly, but how do you feel about iceberg right now?
I have no opinion right now. I'm just kind of monitoring at this point. I have a couple of ideas on how to use it. So far, it looks kind of like if we look back at this last one, this was a big one down here, right here, and this was sell ice, and we ran away from it, and then kind of it sort of acted as a little bit of a resistance point. And if you had taken a short trade and hung into it, it would have paid off very nicely here. So we'll see where we're at here. I have a high threshold set for the indexes, so I don't want it to. I remember when I used it before, I had it set like 100, and it was spouting off shit every like 30 seconds. So it's really high in the NQ, and I think I have it set for like 300 in the NQ and 500 in the ES for actual alerts. I mean, they're always on the chart, as you know, but as far as the actual alerts. So right now, I'm just sort of when there's a bigger one, like I'm not every 100 one that spouts off, I'm not putting it on the charts, but like this is, I mean, you can see it here. This was a 650-ish right there, and it was buy ice. It comes off as a sell order, but that's a buy iceberg, and so didn't mean to do that. I'm just sort of in the monitoring phase at this point. And I used this tool for quite some time, and I got rid of it because I didn't know how to use it. I used it just the first couple of years as a futures trader, and I remember using it kind of as a little bit of support and resistance. I want, now that I'm a little more into like multi-time frame analysis and breaking things down, I want to see where it fits in with that. Like at the end of
we got to get ready to go.
These levels, and where did they show up on the 5-minute chart? Where did they show up on the hourly chart, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm not quite there yet as far as how I'm going to.
We want to see it go up. Come on, go up.
As a little bit of maybe I have things in my trading that I call the CRCs, the confirmations and cancellations. So they're not trade ideas per se. Like I could look right now and say, okay, I have an idea for a long in oil. Okay, so what are the confirmations? Well, we're above this, like we're above VWAP, we're above, and there are cancellations. What are 2 or 3 things that it's like if these line up, I don't take the trade. So I don't know that I'm going to use it much for trade ideas, but I think it's going to be used to either confirm or move against my bias or trade idea that's there. It's just kind of one more data point. I got it right before the holidays because they were running a sale, 50% off your first month of an indicator. And this, this one ain't cheap. It's $130, which, okay, that's affordable if you're making good money in trading. But for people that are already paying a few hundred and maybe in data fees and or accounts and all that. Plus Bookmap itself, as you know, is not cheap. So it's we'll see. So I'm very interested in it in gold and oil specifically. I'll pay attention to the indexes, but less.
Come on, are you serious?
See, is this a there we go, another one. Okay, another 250 there. So this is more buy ice. So this is just, and this is another thing. So when we're stacking this up, when we get multiple orders in the same direction, does that apply as well? So these are all the things I'm going to spend with that first month kind of being, pretty cheap. And I always say, do at least 2 to 3 months of a new indicator if you think you might like it to really get a feel for it, because you don't want to hit that 1 month that it just sucks. And you're like, well, I did this and it could have been something that really helps. I always say minimum 2 months, usually 3 to test something out. So by the end of that, hopefully I'll have a little insight. But that's kind of how I'm looking at it right now. It's just sort of, oh, good Lord, another one. Oh, that's a stop.
I see that.
Okay. Yeah. So that's kind of how I'm using it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'd be curious to hear your the progression of how your sentiment on it. But yeah, because that's something for me. Like same thing. I mean, same thing in terms of using Bookmaps. Like I use it primarily for confirmation, for I guess conviction on the trade rather than like, okay, oh, there's sellers here, I'm gonna sell.
Self-filled.
A lot of times I don't even
It's ridiculous.
look at maps until I put out my levels, I chart, I do my technical analysis, and then I use book maps to kind of confirm those levels. So that's the same sort of sentiment. But we are getting that rejection. We are getting that rejection. Couldn't quite get it back above 700. So I do expect us to potentially flush here. If we cannot hold the 600 level on the NQ, then we might be going back down here. So
Yeah, and another thing with anything, oh God, another gigantic one, another five. Wow. Okay, another 500 ice up here. So there is somebody buying oil like crazy right now. So like, for example, and again, this seems very bullish. I would, think maybe this is a potential area to get into a long trade. But I'm new to the tool, or at least first time back in about 4 years. So I'm not going to be in any hurry. However, like for me, again, I'm at the stage in my career, I have a lot of confidence in my ability to find and get into winning trades. Okay. So at this point, what I'm kind of looking to do is, can this keep me out of losing trades? Right. Like we always think about, when with indicators, oh, I just want it to give me signals for trades that'll win. Well, maybe you have a thesis or a bias for something, and this particular indicator, whether it's anything on Bookmap or on TradingView or whatever, will help keep you out of that, right? Because again, what do we talk about, guys? Average winner, average loser, winning percentage. Those are the only three stats that matter. Now, yes, you can break those down by a whole lot of different things, but every losing trade you stay out of adds to your winning percentage, or at least like reduces your average losing trade. So, I always use the mental exercise. If you make 500 and lose 500, average winner's 500, average loser's 500, you win 50% of the time, you're a break-even trader. I know there's commissions and stuff in there, guys, but you're a break-even trader. So at that point, though, everyone's thinking, well, I got to double my winner, eliminate my loser. No, but if you can get your average winner up to 600, your average loser down to 400, and your winning percentage even up to 52 or 53%, I know that doesn't sound sexy, guys, but that's a winning strategy. That's a profitable trading strategy. And it's just a matter of execution and management at that point. So for me, if this just keeps me out of, let's say, I can, if I do, let's say 12 to 15 trades per week on average, at least before the holidays rolled in, if I can take, if I have 5 losers and this indicator will keep me out of one of them, it's paid for itself. So, I think it's important to have a thesis how you're going to use new tools, but don't go in too handcuffed to that idea, because you never know what some of these things can show you.
Yeah, definitely. Yep. So I did take
locked in, brother.
Yeah, I was gonna ask.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna answer short here on ES if we can.
Okay.
At around 47, the initial stop is pretty wide, but I'm pretty confident that we're gonna put in some sort of internal highs here, and then when
Not happy.
snap back, I will trim the stop loss. This is usually how I.
Well.
So I want to see if we can.
Okay, well, that's it.
Low here on ES. It could run right now.
He did very poorly again.
It's going to be really hard for me to accept a bigger pullback. But it could definitely fly right now.
I did enter a really, I entered two micros, guys, just so I could test this out. But looking like they might, and then just took me out. Okay, never mind. And it's gone. Yeah, I was looking for the 6. My entry was like 613. Nope. Yeah, 613. But that's the area right now that I'd be looking for them to get back, and retest, which they did just retest right now. So if they can't get us back above 613, I think that's where, no, 620 is the opening range low. So if they can't get us back above opening range low, then these bears are looking pretty high.
I don't know how I didn't get filled on that, to be honest. This is absolutely insane. It was like
you had your order sitting there
at 47.5. It's crazy.
Oh, on ES, yeah.
On basically, like on ES, I would have gotten filled, but on MES.
Oh.
I'm feeling you, Mamas. My NQ order didn't get filled, but ES would have gotten filled, but I missed it. Pain. How do you deal with missed fills, Mamas?
To be honest,
He punches the monitor.
No, I mean, he totally strikes me as the guy who would do that.
yeah, to be honest, it sucks, especially because with my system, I don't have that many trades in a month. I would say like 13, 14 max. So like there's days where I go without taking a trade. So it definitely hurts, but it's part of the game. And you know, I just try to not think about it too much. But yeah, I don't. You before I remember, I was more emotional regarding that because I was trading a system that, let's say, only occurred 8 to 9 times in a month. So
Oh wow.
I had a lot of yeah, I had a lot of decision making to make of either I enter extremely aggressively and you know take the risk of me being stopped out in the trade that actually still makes sense because there was just a deeper pullback, or just wait for the pullback. And yeah, I would say this when I was trading this strategy, it was hard on the mental for sure.
Oh, I bet.
When did you change your strategy?
Um, I basically I was always trading the same framework since early 2024. I'm still trading the same framework. It's just I adapted the timing of that framework right now for 2026, which I want to mainly trade the silver bullet hour, which is from 10 to 11. And but let's say the framework and the strategy overall is basically the same. It's how a candle fluctuates, openings, flips back below or above the opening price. It's really that.
Okay. How would you say your year has been so far in January? I know it's only been 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, I would say it's been pretty slow on the first week. Then right now it's picking up pretty well. I would say the last three trades were really good for me. So not to I don't have any expectations regarding price action. I know that with the approach that I have, let's say with the risk to reward that I have and the overall framework that I'm playing every single day, there's going to be a moment where the market will meet with my strategy, and I will definitely have a big win streak because it always happens, you know. So I'm not too bothered with being break even or not seeing too many profits for a week or 2 weeks. That's mainly it.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's like your superpower is just being super patient and waiting for
Yeah,
your setup to come into
definitely.
play.
Definitely patience is part of the edge for sure. And a lot of people who will, like, even if the, let's say the strategy that I'm trading, you could replicate it, it doesn't mean that it would fit you as a person or fit your personality.
Yeah.
It requires a lot of patience, and it requires you to not even, because you don't feel like a trader sometimes. A lot of times, you know, you want to click buttons and you want to feel like a trader and take trades and be in action. But sometimes, you know, I'm more of an analyst than a trader. I just look at the chart. Okay, this is
All right, guys.
this is lower probability. You know what? Let me just
I think that's it.
and yeah, I
We
would
got
say
ripped up.
there's a lot of times where I just
Started out pretty
look at the
well.
chart.
Now we're
That's
getting ripped
such a
up.
good way of putting it. Like just because you know, you're clicking buttons and making money doesn't make you a trader. A lot of it is just being able to analyze the market and weigh out the probabilities and decide is this the day I protect my capital or
Yep,
you know, take on that risk.
absolutely.
So
I just entered the short on ES here. So MES, pretty
nice.
light, wider stop loss right now. But confident that if we push back inside the range, and we're gonna put in some sort of internal highs that I will be able to upgrade the risk to reward there. But the initial pullback on that play, let's say for the sell back to 37, is pretty hard to top tick or just know have a zone that makes sense over the long run.
Drew, if you
can
don't
you-
mind pulling up oh yeah, I'm not distracted.
I will say, not to detract from a serious conversation, but some comments I just feel need to be
All
read
right.
out loud.
All the loves,
Like,
guys.
he looks